Hi there, I'm Uke Dad, and today I'm going to show you the song Singing in the Rain. But it's a little bit more to it than just them two chords. Now that's more like it. So, the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up. So if you can just do that on G to start off with. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. But now, we want to do this second chord here. So all we're doing is we're just taking a finger off. So we're just going to take this finger off here and down, down, up again. So we've got G. Yeah. Then we're going to go to the D7. So we're just going to move across. So we've got this chord here. Down, down, up again. Now we're just going to take this off and it's going to make that into an A minor. So we've got D7 and A minor. So if we put all that together now, it's going to sound like this. So just G. I'm going to take that finger off. I'm going to move everything up to a D7. Take that off and make it into an A minor. Great song to whistle along to as well. And there you have it. Singing in the Rain. Great song.